Did I can watch your state?
Okay, today will be maybe the last day where I will fix bugs, and after that I will start actually there are still 3 things which needs to be added. Machines, animals, and food, like dishes. And that are the 3 things which I still need to add before starting with creating a demo version from this game. Yeah, let's go. We start with this one. Right now we have the problem that we can't. We have the problem that we can put outputs on outputs. So somehow we need to find a way that an output of a machine, for example, let's say we have this one, and the output of this one is actually the bottom side, and we want that it won't be possible to scan this area when placing. So when we have a conveyor belt which leads to this direction, then we want that this one can't be placed because there's a conveyor belt already leads to the top direction. But when it's turned to the left or right and up, then it would be possible to have the conveyor belt already on the floor. So when we place something, we need something that is on this spot. Check before, and this almost placed objects are already there in the world. Actually, right now I want to know what will happen when we do the output on output. So is it game breaking or is it just unlucky and nothing will happen? So the best way I could check it with the chest, because the chest doesn't have a processing. And it's the front side. And when we have, for example, a pipe, we do this one. Okay, it seems like we just duplicate the item. Okay. Wait, when we put this one here, we have just one. But when we put this one here, we duplicate the item. Okay, put this here. Shift, click it. We don't duplicate it, we duplicate it just sometimes. Ah, okay. Right now it's jumping in and out. Maybe for the machine or for the conveyor belt, I will do that the machine will not put something out. Wait, did I store the data somewhere? Let me see that. Placed objects, conveyor belt. What data do we store here? Wait. Yeah, actually we can just do like output inventory. And this one has an output. So how do we define the output? Target direction is get node. In this case, this output is what? It's a raycast 2D. So the output is a raycast 2D. Huh. And the storage space? Output is also raycast 2D. Output inventory is their own inventory. That doesn't help. Ah. Maybe an output. So for example, machine. Let's go to machine. Maybe it would be smart to say in machines. This one scans one. And conveyor also scans one. I just thought maybe it would be smart to scan, to add a like an area 2D here or something. Oh, but wait, I could do when we are in machine right now. Where do we set send item? Press process, set machine, machine process. I think it's in connectable class. Send item. All right. if output inventory dot select null equals null, or not output is colliding, or output dot collider get collider is connectable and output dot get collider dot get node. Oh, wait, no, different. Output equals self. So now we check also if the output has a collider and the collider is a connectable. Wait, I have to check for this one too. So now we check if it's colliding, then if the collider is a connectable, and if the collider is self. If the collider of the output dot get collider. And I think this will fix the whole thing. But maybe we'll just do check output. We'll create a function which is check output. This will return a bool. Or here we'll just check if return false, otherwise return true. So we will just return true and all of this is not. So it's a bit easier to check here. So save, and I think it will work now. Yeah, let's see. We'll take a chest and we'll take this one. And as you can see here, it is not sending it into each other the whole time. When we put it here, it's sending it properly to this. And right now I just figured out that the machines are way off. The sprite is off. Okay, so the sprite we need to fix, and I think it's an easy fix. We'll just go to the machine and check if the error is already here. But this placing is wrong. So for example, we'll just change it to, but no, the chest is also wrong. The problem I think is the way how we treat 16 by 16 items and placing. So this one we have to do in global data. Object placing area. Where I have set sprite. Update sprites collision. Okay, right now the positioning of 16 by 16 is minus 24, minus 36. So when I go, for example, to machine, and at the moment when the sprite is minus 24, minus 32, okay, before I'll break something, I think I'll just adjusting the sprites of machines and just 1, 2, 3, 4. This way, save. This one is the old one. So it just goes through all the sprites. This one. Oh. I think I have a problem. Okay, 16 by 16 sprites can't be. So what is the best way to do here? I have to do it minus 24, minus 32. I can't change it to that what I had before. So we'll go to the global data again. We have to do 32. I mean, even that is cleaner also. Minus 24, minus 32. Reparent placed objects at inventories. Wait, what is also 16 by 16? A chicken house, for example. So farmhouse. So we go to a farmhouse sprite. And this one is -24, -32 is fine too. Plants? Like ground plants? I will do it this way. Environment. I just check every ground plant very quickly. For example, this one. This one. Actually, this is also much better with this positioning. Except this one. Garlic. Okay, okay, let's go through all of them. Rose gizzard. This one, and we will go lanterns, loot boxes, region expansion, weather. Plants, ground plants. So we go to garlic. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this is too high, maybe 2 pixels down actually. This is way better. This underground seems to be okay on this positioning. Next. Wrong. This one. This is fine. This one is fine. This one is fine. All seems to be alright. Pumpkin, this one? Nope. This one should be a bit down, like 2 pixels. So this is red onion. Wait, how I can say green onion is fine? Okay. 1, 2 pixels down for red onion. Alright. And then only watermelon. So this is fine now. I think the sprites for everything seems to be alright. Let's check that. Load start. So when we place a machine, it's on the right position. Then we have a beehive, for example. Then we have a chest, for example, and maybe also like a cauliflower, carrots. So let's see. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. And this is fine. So this works perfectly. Okay, but this one should hide. Okay, it's working great. The next thing what I want to do this one has to be a bit more down, but this later. Task, maybe just bugs. UI notification has to be lower. Connectable bug, and this one is fixed. That was faster than I thought. And now we do placing object bug. And this is exactly this one, which I think is easy to fix also. The problem right now is that the object already has a collision, like a direct collision with the environment, even they are not even in the map, and this you can see when you do this. I mean, I want that. I mean, as you can see here, it's not able to place it somewhere where it shouldn't. So I think the collision is very useless here. So we go to, for example, machine first. And here we will just object placing. Storage space, is that also on? I think not. So machine, we can disable object placing. Storage space, bash, ground. Okay, bash is actually... Oh, 8 is always on. So maybe I should keep 8 always on. And 1 is only that the object will also have collision with the player. So we have ground plant, fence should also have a collision with player. So we will not visibility. We need collision. Nope. Huh? This is a safe margin. Here collision. This one 8. Actually, I just figured out that it could just change this one to an area 2D and then put the static body to the inside here. But for this case, right now it's working, so it's working. So just don't change a running system. So what I would like to have, like we have machines, connectable, storage space, connectable, bash, plants, ground plant, plants, fence, character body. But I would like to have a script which I can inherit from for all of them, because all of them are like placeables. And that when I define a script only in the placeable script, I want that all of them inherits from them. It doesn't matter if they are like connectables and so on. So we have machines. And we do collision shape. And actually, I just need to set it to disabled or not. It's always the same name, except here, but this one should be shape. And we have trees too. We should not forget trees. So did we have more than this? Oh, conveyor belt, of course. Conveyor belt also has a collision shape, so all of them are placeables. So what if I create a new script which will inherit from node to the, and we say it's a placeable script. And we just say class name placeable. This way, save. And what we want to define here is that when they will be placed, that we just call the function which global data. When we reparent it, I think we also call a signal, but just for fence placed signal. But we also could emit a signal for all of them that they are placed. And this will happen right here. Yeah, maybe right here. So we just say placed signal dot emit. But right now I'm thinking if it's possible to call this just on this one, which is just be placed at this moment, because I don't want to call this one on every placed object, which is already in the world. Maybe I just call a function. So first I'll do nothing. And what I gonna do now is I'll go to machine, I'll go to the connectable script, and rather than... Oh, wait. Oh. Is that possible to do this? Machine. So placed, placeable, I'll just delete. So this one I'll just delete. Because I already had this plan. So we have machines. Oh wait, connectables, which will extend placeable objects. Can I do like extends node 2D, but being and static body 2D? Oh no, I can't find something like this. So it's fine. I think it's working. So we will do that also in plans. We will also do that in fences. And we will also do that in... Here it's fine. Plans, machine, and storage spaces. Oh, it's also connectable. So there's also fine. So when we write script now, when we... Wait, placed objects, placeable class. when we write script now here, it will be working for all the items we can place in the world. What's up? Hello, Kelso. Welcome. How are you doing? So what we gonna do is we create a function. This is toggle. Oh wait, activate collision, which will lead to void, and we just say if get node collision shape 2D dot simple disabled equals true. Oh wait, yeah, true, then we just return. Otherwise, we will say equals what? What are you doing right now? I just fixed a few bugs, which I just figured out lately by just bug checking my game. So for example, when I do this one, I'm fixing this one. I'm working on buttons on my shop. Nice. How is it? How is UI for you? Actually, for me, UI is something very horrible, as the most time it doesn't do what I do, what I want to do. And you see, what is the problem here? This is exactly the problem here. This is no one want to have in this game, but when we just do this one now, disabled on, collision shape disabled on, trees, collision shape disabled on, ground plant disabled on, conveyor box disabled on, fence disabled on. Alright, so we have this disabled on everywhere, and when we want to place an object right now, then okay, wait, it still has collision. Oh. Wait, but it still had collision, but we also need to we'll call this function in the right place. For example, when we reparent it, we just need to call where's placeable class activate collision. Global data child dot this one. Save, start. Okay, I'll be right back in a second. Oh, hello Bankley, holla. Welcome, welcome. It's going well. And I just want to make a little break right now. And I think I fixed this bug when we just take a new machine. This one, for example, beehive. And it's still bugging around. Okay, this will figure out soon. I'll be right back in a second. Okay, right back. Took a bit longer, but I'm back now. This song is a vibe. Wait, which song was before? Bad Romance. Okay, what is that problem? Just adjust the collision ship numbers or orders. Yeah, that could be a fix, but I would like to have something consistent without changing the collision shape, like the collision layers. I want set something with the collision layers. I want to do it with disable or enable the collision shape. I feel like activate collision. Wait, I have to. I mean, I will create a completely new game. Or maybe I have to go to machine and check there. Oh, wait. It wasn't disabled. That's why it was working. Alright, load start, and I think it should be fixed already. Yeah, you would be able to... Okay, the collision shape is not activated yet. Alright, so the activation is not working properly. So let's see, machine is inheriting from this one. And placed objects has activate collision. If disabled equals true, oh, false equals true, then return. Otherwise, send it, make it false. So now it should work properly. I just messed up a bit the code for set the collision shape. Load start. Okay, place it. And we have collision. Great. Take it. Have collision. Great. So we fixed the whole placing object mark. Unite eye notification. Just go to world, 2D scene. And somewhere in UI, notification group just need to be setted. Just like here. I think this way, save. Okay, so this is also fixed. Task. This one and this one. Okay, actually, one of the next tasks would be the animal system. So what I could do is to maybe set up a system. What is my plan for the animals? So we have this one. And these are the tasks I want the animals to do. But how to get these animals? My idea was it to have it in a way like catching system. So catching animals with traps. My idea was it with cages. Something similar to this one. Something like this. That was my idea, to catch animals with cages, which you can place around the world, around the whole world. It doesn't matter. It doesn't even need to be in your garden. You can place them everywhere except inside the water. Like trap cages. Player can place them around the whole world. Player, I mean, add a bait to catch different animals on different locations. Environment. So every animal can be catched just with a specific bait. Catch needs a specific a bait, the right bait with the right environment.
Oh.
All right. So what you need is the right bait with the right environment. Do we need different cages? I think not. You can catch everything with the right. Just one type of cage for every type of animal. I just think I'll make it big enough so that you can catch every type. So it's 32 by 32, 32 by 32. So goats, okay, what they need? Bait needed, environment, drop. Environment, this I'll do later, but bait needed. What we could put as the bait for a goat? Hay, grass, wheat, grain, sometimes even tree bark. Grass or hay? Maybe, as grass is available everywhere, I think we will do it with hay. Environment later. And drops will be this. Baits needed for a sheep. What we could do there. Actually the same. I think you can got also the same, like with hay, you can got just the environment maybe will be different. You can got wool from them. Ostrich. Ostrich eggs. Environment. We'll see. Bait needed. Maybe grain in this case, or what does ostrich? What does they eat? Leafy greens, flowering plants, root grass, and oh, maybe we can say hay. Maybe also leaves. And flowering plants, so also flower. So maybe not hay, just like leaves and flower. So mole. Stones, worms, insects. And you can got a mole. How you can bait a mole? fruits. So let's say apples, nuts, what does mold eat? Insects, grubs, and earthworms. Snails? Alright. Maybe just like worms. Maybe there should be another way to get worm. Stones, worms, insects. Because maybe at the beginning of the game it's hard to get worms, but when you have already mold to get worms, you can get more worms. Squirrel? Drops. Different nuts. And here we also say nuts. But the difference is that at the beginning you have different type of nuts. Maybe it's harder to get maybe some nuts you can just got from squirrels. Environmental doesn't matter yet. Crows. Rarely they can bring you gems, but also like stones and grab. Everything what is like shining a bit, that is what they bring back to you. And you can get them with, I think nuts is good, grain also. And then otter. Copy. Paste. Now we say different type of fishes, like let's say fishes, but also like clams sometimes. And they will wait near the river or lake. Crows near, let's say near streets. Squirrel near trees with maybe near oak trees. Moles near how they call it, dirt piles. Ostrich maybe. Grass. High grass, no tree environment. Near high grass and the mountain. So we have different locations for all these animals where you can get them. We have the drop, we have the environment, and we have the bait you need to get them. So it needs a bait function. How the bait function will work. How to catch. place the cage, the wrap cage on a specific area which fulfill the needed environmental environmental properties. And place the right bait to the inventory slot. Could take a few tries to get the right to catch the animal which you wanted. You can know that the bait, wait, catch the animal which wanted. The bait will disappear and there will be no animal trapped, and this way you can figure out that the environment is the right environment for the animal which you want to catch. Successful catch. The animal will be visibly visually be trapped, be inside the trap. All right, then we have this. Do I miss something? I think that is the whole function I want to do here. So need trap cages where you can put an item. Where you can catch the specific animals. There has to be at the right places. There's just one thing what could be a bit tricky to fulfill the environmental properties. For example, near high grass. That means all over the world it should be possible that high grass can spawn. Which won't be a problem because I think it won't be a problem to just check this area if there's a grass tile or not, to just place grass on the environment all over the whole map. Just check if the ground is grass, do this. And this is something what I want to play around now too. I think the best and easiest way is to play. I need to play around with the tile sets now. that I can scan in specific area to check, for example, is in this area water, is in this area a mountain tile or something, or is in this area like something specific. So we'll go into my test game and we will try to scan wait, no, test game, this one, where I test every possible things what I want to implement. And I think this could be interesting because I didn't testing games yet that exact testing so we need a new scene. This scene will be a simple no 2D scene, and we will add an tile map layer to this one. And we have this one already. So here we just say new tile set, and to this tile set we just add this picture. Yes. Oh wait, nope. We will say 32 by 32 firstly, and then we do this one. Yes. What I'm gonna do now is to select this one, and we want to have custom data layer, and this one will be what type? String name? This one will be env type. And this maybe is a string. And here we say grass. Paint. Env type. And we say grass. This one. I really like the new function from Twitch that they filter out spammers beforehand. Okay, so we have grass, and what I want to set is, for example, mountain to this one. So they have a specific type, and maybe there's something which we call like water, and we just make this one to be water at the moment. And this one. This is fine. Save. Wait, no, we don't save it. Well, we will save it, and this will call tile map layer test. Tile map layer. Alright, we'll add the script. This will call tile map layer test. Alright. Okay, then we will add to the tile map layer, which we will access as unique name. We will just draw a bit to the world. So we just say we have an area of grass, and we will also have a few like this one, and a few blocks this one. Doesn't have to be beautiful, but what we add now is an area 2D, which has a collision shape 2D, which will be a simple circle with a radius of like this one. Like we'll put it here, but in front. So now this area will be a tile checker. In our case, this will be the cage itself. So what we want is, so let's go to open documentary. So we have a tile map. Get cell tile data. If layers near the layer accessed from the last one, if use prompts default ignores the tile sets tile proxies. Okay, get cell source ID. So function check environment. Variable get current get tile positions equals this one. All right. And this will return an array. So here we say okay, how I can check I return this for now because I have to think. I want to check the whole collision shape, which is a circle, like a radius, let's say with 64, a radius of 64. Let's say we have a grid. With 32 by 32. And we have this one. A circle with a radius of 32. Just like this one. So I want to... Oh wait, as I see right now... Actually, I will check all of this one. this whole area I check. So I have to check all of these positions. So when actually it's very simple then. So we just have to check for their own position, this one. And we check for, we take the own position, which will be something like this here. Okay, this is not that easy like that before. The other was a bit easier. So when we have the radius, set it to 32. Maybe maybe it would be easier when we set the radius to something not dividable by 48, when it's, for example, 96 in a whole, like in full length, like 48 in a radius. So 48 in a radius would be, wait, this one is 32 in a radius? No, this is 64 in a radius. 48 in a radius would be something like grid settings 16 by 16. 48 would be here. Yeah, this one would be 48. So, and when we place this object directly here, we have this 9 places, for example. So this position will be, actually, I think we will have this position here. Wait, how my object works? Actually, we will have, when this box is 32 by 32 big, then we will have this object, this position actually. So we want to have this one. So 2 in this, -2, -2, and then -1, -1, and so on, all these tiles. But I do not know. I have to check how's the behavior of this tile maps. Print. So we have tile checker position. First of all, collision shape 48. And we want to share, put this position sprite to be. I just want to make it as realistic as possible. This texture, I would like to change to a size of 32 by 32, so we have to divide transform by 4. This one. And this will be right here. So when we have this one in our world, which will snap by 32 by 32, we have this one. So what we want to do now is to get the position, the type of this tile where this position is right now. I want to know if a tile map layer is scanning this position as this one. Oh, where it starts. Maybe we can put it directly on 0, 0. And we'll know which one will be tested. So we go to tile map layer. Okay. So what we're gonna do is print person tile map layer dot get cell tile data, and then we say percent tile checker dot position. Then we start the scene. Okay, it's null. Maybe I have to say project settings, window, config, run, test, tile map layer test, close, and start. Should be this one. Okay, we don't got anything. Maybe I want to print first. Oh. Yeah, maybe we don't got anything because we don't check the environment. So we got tile data. And tile data. I mean, tile data is something. That means we check this tile. So we want to check the left one, top, and then this one each. I think maybe this will be the area, or the area we want to check will be 96. I think this will be the area of the position. Oh no. It has to be something like this. 80. 112. Maybe 112 is okay. So from this position we need to check. No, 112 is not okay. 128. Nope. $80 is fine. Plus 32. Or plus 16? No, plus 32. 112 should be okay. But I feel like then we don't got this one. This could cause problems. So what is when we say 100? $128, 144. Okay, it's even worse. So we can do 80 is the highest what we can do. I want to have a square at the end. A square which will be checked. And actually we don't even need an area 2D for this one. Wait. So this area 2D doesn't even make sense. Just... So it could be even that we say this is a rectangle. Which we just say it's 164 by 164. Or 160 by 160. Or we say 192 and 192. Just like this one. I think this is a good area. So from this position, I could hard code it. But I would like to make it automatically too. So how I could check for each tile around this middle. That we got every position first, which starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2. I mean, I know how big the area will be. So when I say like check area check size, and I say it's a vector 2, and this will be like, for example, 224 and 224. And then I will say for position, or like tile positions, get tile positions, which is an array which stores vector 2. Then we say for position in tile, or like for tile position in tile positions, we want to print this one. This one, and we just write the function to get the tile positions. which will lead to be an array with vector 2. Then we say current positions, which is also an array with vector 2, which we want to return at the end of the function. So we will have the start position, which is a vector 2. Actually, this will be vector 2i. And start position will be tile checker dot position. And from there on, we want to go 3 to the left, 3 to the top. Oh wait, we have the area check size. So from the start position, which would be here, we want to go 32, 64, 96, 128 to the left. And 128 to the top. So what we're gonna do is start divided by 2 plus 32. This one. Alright, and then we say current x count, which is an int, and variable current y count, which is also an int. Is that the easiest way to do that? Maybe not. I just was thinking to add it with a while loop. Actually, I don't need a loop because we have a start position and a size. For start, wait, for possible, for tile position in actually I need to just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times to the right and 7 times to the bottom. calc count equals calc count x equals wait, I just have to do it one time and then I have to do it for each inside this 7 times. Or like calc count equals start position. Wait. Start position dot x to this one. And then I say for or while calc count is bigger than null, we will do calc count minus equals 1. And we also say current position. First we say start position minus equals plus equals vector 2 32 0. Then we can do this minus 1 and then we say current positions dot append start position start, wait, start position this one, and here we also need to say this one. Okay, and then after that we say for current position in, we'll just say why, wait, tile position rows is also a vector to I array. For I in calc count then again for I and calc count append current position plus vector 2 0 32. this one and this one. Vector to I. Wait, maybe here. Maybe here we'll just do this one. But afterwards I will just calculate them. So we have this one then full of positions. Then we will say here result positions. This will be an array. Vector 2i. This one, and here we just say for vec position. It's for vec 2 position in print positions and tile position rows. Result dot append I want to test it now. Current positions, dot append start position. Attempted to push back a array of type vector 2 into a typed array of type vector 2i. Oops. This one. Thirty-two, 64, 32, 32. 4 positions. This seems to be not enough. Should be more. Start position. For example, 32. How I do the start position? Plus wait, 32, 32, 32, 32. So this is 128 plus minus 128. Start position plus start position wait, start position minus start position. So when it's 32 and 32, then it will be 64 and 64. When I say minus, how I can come from here to here? Minus 32, 64, minus 128, minus 128. This is divided, the full size divided by 2 plus 32. Now we have just one position. Start position minus area shake size Okay, still just one position. Okay, actually, right now I'll just go over to gaming a bit. I'll play a bit on Storage Hunter for maybe an hour, maybe a bit less than an hour. Because today I can't do that long. Yeah, but we did a bit of progress for GameDev. If you would like to support me and my game, you can do it by wishlisting it already on Steam. This will help me a lot and this will help the game a lot. And I really appreciate every support. And yes, I'll just change to gaming now. So let's go. Okay. Let's wait a bit. Yeah, why the game is not starting? Maybe it will take a bit. I'll be right back. Alright, it's not working properly. Let's try to start it again. And now it seems to work. Okay, that's great. Okay, let's try to play a few auctions today. Where do I stop last time? I don't remember because it's a bit... Well, we have 11 items to pick up. But I think the first step is always to an auction in this area. So we make the most profit possible every day. So what we have? Auction. Maybe we'll do this one. This seems to be reasonable. As we really want to have it. We already parked our car here. I didn't read the last updates. Maybe there was a few updates between now and the time we was streaming before, but I think this one we can go until like 500.
Okay. Come on. Yep.
Yeah.
We have 11 items, which we just brought to check.
Come on.
Okay.
Why the resolution is that bad?
Come on.
Maybe 700?
Great.
Okay.
Come on. Head move.
Okay, the resolution is very low. Was it just me? Wait. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we'll go to the map, and actually I need to check where the taste of art, all the items, and RRSO and toys. Alright, so we just go to the other city, to the taste of art, and bring all the stuff we just bring there. I think it was a few valuable items too. I'll go to our pawn shop to bring all the money we have there left. And then we'll just go to the city. Can we sell this? Nope. We just sell something. Okay, we have $1,000, which is great. Maybe she'll buy something very valuable. Okay, didn't lose that much, so just go to the other city. First we have to go Godot, and then we'll just keep going to the art shop, and then after that we'll just go to an auction, but we'll see which one. Well, I think it's enough when we got the... Okay, sometimes the movement is a bit weird. Like the movement from left to right. Six-pack plus hot dog, $10. $100%, that's $30. And just go to the art shop. I think the art shop just has like 8 items. I don't remember that we just bring the 11 items in one shop. Was right here. Gallery.
Welcome.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm not sure where we bring the other one. Robbery mask, 320. Other robbery mask, 340. A legendary crown, 960. I just thought it would be more. But maybe I need to fix items with the higher quality so that we can earn more money. A gems, 340. Actually, we make a lot of money, but it could be more when we have a better repair tool. 330. Just that for this amount of gold, I think it would be more. 1,400 with a perfect. So this crown could be 1,400. The other crown is just 900 because it's just quality. Okay, I already load all them. So then we have to go, I think, to this guy. I remember we just brought like pianos to this guy. So we won't have any space on our truck actually. Which would be a bit bad. But the good thing is that are like big items. But where we bring the last item? Toys. Watch as a piano. 520. Okay, and now we just go to the toy store. Just bring the billiard, the pool, table, and I think then we can't go. Well, maybe we can do a blind auction. There's a few chests we always can bring, but I think nothing else. We can't go to a bigger auction. Because this one will be also very big. Quality bad, that was horrible, but at least we make it normal. So let's go to a blind auction, which is right here. We're almost there. We just have to go to the other side of the street and then hopefully we'll have a blind auction where we can get okay, we have 3. Maybe we can even got 2. I want only fashion and beauty or military. No, sport I think is not worth it. I mean, sometimes there can be valuable items in sport, but I think the chance is very low. The most of the time you got some balls, like a volleyball, football and stuff, and this is very, very low quality. And you use a lot of money. So this one is household is also just crap. You got like mixer, pots, pans, and that's it. So if we don't got anything, I mean it's also fine. At least we don't waste our money. Okay, this one we have to got A-class fashion. No matter what it costs. Okay, the bid is 80 now. I think till 200. 2,000 we can go. Okay, that was actually fine to do this. Okay, 2 boxes. This one is valuable, $200. Okay, this one is nothing. Legendary crown, this I already saw before. An eye patch. The quality is always good, which is nice. So let's see what we have here. A pair of shoes. Okay, when the quality is actually always perfect, or at least good, so the crown is at least a bit worthy. Oh, we have 2. Okay, we make money. That's all what we need. We have 3 crowns. Okay, we make a lot of money here. We just have to bring 1. Would be kind of nice when you can pick up multiple items. Okay, let's see how we can start. Okay, not that way. Okay, keep the balance. Okay, maybe with this side. Okay, this is okay, well, close. Okay, I don't understand the bounciness of some items. This actually doesn't make sense for me. Okay, I don't got it. Yeah. Sometimes I spend a whole day just to loading this stuff on this little truck. Okay, why don't do it at the beginning this way? Just expand the size of our truck by the pool table. So we have to go to this one as we have a lot of valuable items right now. And I hope we don't lose something there, but I don't want to drive back also. I just hope that we don't lose something. So we'll go to this art and fashion shop where we just bring the items for our check how much we can get for them. But I think with this 3 crowns, when they have a normal quality, even when they have just a normal quality, we make at least almost $4,000, maybe $3,500 with this blind auction. And I think this is very fine. We just almost tripled the price. So let's see.
Can I help you?
1. Okay, even 5 items. The pirate hat I didn't even notice. We'll go back to the village and maybe when we are lucky we can do another auction there where we can get a few big items, because right now we have a lot of valuable small items, but we also need a few big items that we can fill our whole store, not just the small places. Reach renown level 50 in blueberry. We have the renown level 34, 35 in blueberry. As long as we don't reach the highest level, we will just sell all the stuff in this one. And what will be the next thing what we will buy? See, we have 36. I think the next thing what we'll buy will be the repair tool or the other tool. I hate that. Actually, this one we can just throw away. It's not worth to waste our space with stuff like this. Alright, so auctions. Okay, no auction anymore. We'll just check how much money we have here. We should have a bit. Can you please just put the variable items here? Why you not play Farming Simulator 25? Hello, Dani. I've never played any farming simulator. Hager. Okay, I'm really bad in this one, but it actually was just a cheap item. Not much. I just finished with... Wait, we have $3,200. Great. We just need $2,000, and I hope she'll buy the laptop now. Okay, Hager. Where's green? Okay, at least... Okay, we lose $8, which is totally fine. How are you doing? So we'll go sleep in the pipe, and after that, hopefully we will... I just have to keep an eye on the time. Like in 20 minutes. Wrong direction. Like in 20 minutes I have to go offline. How's your game going, Danny? I'm doing very well. That's great. Maybe the delay today is a bit more than usual on YouTube. Did you play GeoGuessr? Not today. I don't play GeoGuessr. Today I play this one. So actually we will go to the next auction, then we'll go to our, like every day, then we'll go to the other city, get all the items. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we can get here. Auctions. Yeah, actually just this one. Maybe we can get a few items. Okay, let's say $300. Did you play GeoGuessr meanwhile?
Yeah!
Okay.
Okay. What happened with the 6,000 the last day?
Okay.
I still have the 6,000. I just have a lot of valuable items right now in the shop.
Come on!
No, I don't like that game in solo. It's fun. But in team it's more fun. It's 360, I'm not sure if this is too much. For pen, $21. Christmas sock, $12. Verify at least 10 Lunar New Year items. And kitchen hood. Kitchen stuff is actually very bad. Okay, the delay in YouTube makes me a bit confused. I do not know which team you can insult the other if you lose. No, then you are not a great. But yes. Okay, is it open? Yes. We can put all the stuff, a trumpet. But at least, I mean, I feel like it's... You can't lose money here. Doesn't matter how hard you try. And I didn't even pay attention how high the price already was for this one. I still make money on this one. Yeah, this makes sense. Gross, what did you did today in Godot? I fixed all the bugs I found and I start to create the animals. The animal catching system. I just planned the animal catching system. Tomorrow I'll start to program it. Actually, I already start to program it a bit. Okay, nice. Yes, I actually fixed the bugs faster than I thought I would. Which is great, so I can focus on the things I really want to add. And I really hope that I can do it this year. Because I have an idea. Okay. Okay, let's go back to our shop. Sell all that stuff, go to the other city, got all our stuff, and then we will go to the next blind auction. I hope we have $7,000 now. More items. One item found. Where? Oh, okay, it's a table inside, so that is fine. So let's see what we sell. Okay, that's not enough. We need more money. Well, all the valuable stuff is already... I don't know if you are interested. I saw that you submitted a video, but... I actually have a video editor. Or edit my VODs and cut them in gameplay and software development. I'm gonna just start now. Can you sell stuff, please? I need money. Okay, let's go to the other city. Actually, we can just buy tomorrow. But I don't have that much time anymore. Maybe I can play this day, but then I have to go off. I didn't understand. I actually have an editor for videos. And the VODs, I have an editor. I don't edit my videos myself. I don't have the time at the moment to edit my videos also on top. I just work all day and then I stream and then I don't have time to edit the video, so I have help on this one. Why not? You worried about making a game? I think you're so relaxing doing it. Maybe you already finished the game and you just polish it. The shorts? The shorts at the moment I don't do. No, videos. Videos. I mean the VOD, I upload VODs and I upload smaller video. I mean not smaller, but like videos from the VODs. But yes, I polish the game right now and I also add more content, and the moment I don't feel like I will that I'm ready to publish it yet, so that's why I still polish the game and I also add a few new functions. Does he edit? She. Yeah, cut the videos. Cut out not interesting parts. For example, when I just, for example, in this game, when I just driving around and don't talk, then this is really not interesting. Or when like really nothing happens in the stream, then just cut out these parts and the stuff like this. To go here. Okay, 13 minutes. Let's see what we got in the next auction. hope there are some. There could be just one and then something what we don't want. For example, household or hobbies. Actually, yesterday we also made money. I didn't check how much the crowns. 900? 900? 900. Alright. 3 times 900 and the pirate 200. Okay, the pirate hat is not that useful. Let's check. It's already 1 year and a half months you polish your game. Rose, can I ask how much does she wins? Oh, that is private. Nothing. I mean, at the moment, just... Actually, it's my girlfriend edit my videos. So at the moment, she just don't got anything from that. She just helped me. Oh, okay, 3 auctions and these are this one. Okay, now I understand it. I'm not sure if I should do equipment. Okay, 2 boxes here. I hope it's fashion. It's time wasting. And the last one, it's which grade? Oh, now I understand. Yes. So we have the left hand. A-class military. Okay, this is what we want. This is what we want. Now I understand the ring in the left hand. Yes. I think you are Sherlock. Wait, I already win it for 1,300? It has to be really crappy. Okay, a few weapons. Wait, the bomb. Cannonball. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, they are really annoying. Ah, there was it? 19. Okay, an antique helmet. This is great. A dagger. A common ball. Why a ball? A cannonball. A revolver. Handgun. Okay, all is quality normal already. And can I ask what does you she works, but what she works I will not tell. This is private. We got 3 revolver. 4 revolver. Okay, I think we already make money. I think even when each is just like $200, we make money. This one is already good. This one. Okay, we don't have that much money right now. $180. But I think when we bring all the stuff to check, which is a lot. And actually easy to check because it's the guy who is in our village. Ah yes, it's a hobby of okay, dagger. I think we got around like 4 or 6 items. The smoking grenade is also a bit. And another handgun. So we made... I think we made a lot of money. We'll just go back to the other village. And we bring the stuff to Shack. It's 3 PM, which could be enough time. Gross, do you rage in games or not? Nope, and I also think like I don't play the type of games to rage. Like when you lose or when you can't do something easy. Actually not. I mean, I also don't watching content where people rage because I think this is not entertaining. But I think many people would feel like this would be entertaining. But I think not for me. But no, I don't rage. I'm also a bit I mean, I even can play League of Legends without rage. So I think I'm really rage resistant. Okay, we are level 30. We are almost level 37, which is great. So let's see how many items we can bring to him to Shack. And then we have, again, a few items which are valuable. 8. There should be a shortcut. Just thought enter would be a shortcut, but it's not. We spent a few dollars for this one. But seriously, you need to do more things for the channel, like playing some random short games. Or things like that. What, for example? I mean, what do you mean with short games? What would be more entertaining would be maybe like skill-based games. $7,400, this is great. Change the name of the channel. That would be also something. No items around. Here, what she bought. Okay, well, we sell, and I think it's time. It's time for a verification tool or a fixing tool, but I think fixing tool would be helpful. More helpful. Because so we can not change them to just a grade normal, so we just, like, good. I think good. And I think it's more helpful. The people likes to see other people scream. Yeah, there are people who likes to watching people scream. But I think this won't be the target I would target to. Fixing, yes. Actually, I need to get ready now because I have something to do soon, so that's why that was the last thing what I will do today. Got the money, which is your target. People who just play games to chill. No, actually, right now, just people who would enjoy to Right now my goal is it actually not to target people who watching gameplay content. My target is more like to focus on the progress of my game. So the target would be possible player for growth. That's my target at the moment, nothing else. I don't focus much. I don't want to grow the YouTube channel or Twitch channel to be a possible next streamer or the next YouTube influencer or something. I just do that as a side effect for the game I'm creating. So actually that was it for today. I say thanks to everyone who was watching. Thank you very much. I hopefully see you tomorrow again. I'll be right here. Tomorrow we will add the animal function, like everything around animals, hopefully catching the new animals and the bait, the items. These are all the items we want to integrate to the games. I hope it will not take that long. I hope this is something what we can do within the next week, from catching until farm, until like get items from the animals. That would be great. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and take care everyone. Okay, I understand. Alright, see you, Danny.